Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your LCP issue in your WordPress. So to do this is pretty simple. So here we will use a CDN. So using a CDN will reduce the impact length of time between the user request and the server response. So this will amount to the time of latency which will be reduced using the CDN. So we're going to use Rocket CDN for this. So here just go to rocketcdn.me and it will show you how it basically works. You can just sign in right here and it will explain it how it works here, and you can use it in your WordPress plugin. So just get the Rocket CDN right here and you can be billed monthly for this. So of course not everything is going to be free. There's going to be a monthly fee for this CDN. So here, this is how you integrate your CDN to your site effortlessly. It's a free plugin that you just have to install in your WordPress, and then it has automatic compatibility to your WordPress. So it will just link up your assets to your Rocket CDN with a custom CNAME. Deploying a CDN has never been easier with your Rocket CDN. As you can see right here, this is just going to be how simple it is. You can see your subscription here, and you will have your API key right here. And you can have a faster delivery with your caching. So here the CDN cache can be cleared from your WordPress, making it easier to make it always up to date. So this is one of the few things you can do to fix your LCP issue in your WordPress. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.